Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. Now it's just 10 days for Diwali and that means it's time to start pampering yourself up because Diwali shouldn't mean just cleaning around the house, going to card parties or maybe hogging on sweets. So yes, today we're going to be doing a DIY spa day. The concept for my DIY spa day is that I keep one central ingredient, the hero ingredient, and I create a couple of different DIYs around it to pamper your hair, face, body, everything. So today that's going to be aloe vera gel. Of course, if aloe vera gel doesn't suit you, you can use lotus gel, bamboo gel, cactus gel, whatever works for you. You can use store-bought aloe vera gel or you can make it at home, whatever your little heart desires. So yes, without any further ado, let's just get into this DIY spa day and start pampering ourselves up. The first DIY we'll make is a hair mask, and for that you're going to be requiring tea tree oil and aloe vera gel. While tea tree is great at combating dandruff and flakiness, aloe vera will add the moisture back to your hair. So I'm just taking my aloe vera and my tea tree oil and I'm going to combine them both together so that they're homogeneous, mixed and just one component. So just mix it up really nicely and then all you want to do is apply it to your scalp. Just give yourself a nice relaxing massage. You also want to apply it to all over your strands so that your hair is moisturized too, and once that is done you just want to tie it up in a bun and keep it on for about 30 minutes minimum, and then you can wash it off once that time is up. Moving on, we'll make a face mask, and for that you're going to be requiring turmeric or haldi and aloe vera gel. Turmeric is great for brightening up your skin, giving you a nice glow, and aloe vera again will moisturize. So I'm just combining both of the ingredients up, just mixing it up, whipping up the good stuff, and once it's nice and combined and mixed up, I'm just going to apply it all over my face. I'm using a silicone brush so that the brush is not stained. So I'm just applying it all over my face. You want to keep it up for 15 minutes. Till then, let's prepare our body scrub, and for that you'll need Himalayan pink salt and aloe vera. Himalayan pink salt has a lot of minerals. It also gets rid of any dead cells. Aloe vera, again, the moisture, the hydration. So I'm just mixing and whipping it up and just making sure it's all nice and just into one state, the texture that I like, and then I'll scrub my body. This area in particular gets a lot of ingrown hair, so I'm showing it more love than the other areas. Next we have a face depuffer, and for that you require saffron along with your aloe vera. Saffron again is amazing for the skin, so many different benefits from brightening to just making sure it's all nice. So I am just again mixing these things up. But here it's where it gets different. Here is where it will get different is what I meant. I'm just going to get it into a silicone mold and I'm going to freeze it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. You can also do it overnight. And once that is done, I'm going to use this all over my face, especially around the contours of my eyes because that tends to get really puffy. You can make a bigger batch of this and store it in a cube tray. I just like this better because I can get a circular shape out of this. And I'm going to massage the excess into my skin, and whatever's left is what I will wipe away with a microfiber towel, which will not only get rid of everything extra, it will exfoliate my skin as well. So we depuffed and exfoliated. So with that we finished this DIY spa day, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. I hope a lot of love, laughter and life for this festive season for all of you guys, and yes, I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.